In this video, we are going to do a walking tour of MS Zuiderdam ship of Holland America in deck 3. MS Zuiderdam is one of the Vista class of Holland America. It has 11 decks that the passenger can access and has a maximum capacity of 2,200. If you cruise in Holland America before, Deck 3 is where you can relax and walk around the ship. This is where you find the tender boats and inflatable lifeboats. My wife and I like to walk here in Deck 3 for maybe 2 to 3 rounds, especially during sea days, so we can have our steps and exercise while on vacation. Also, the view here are beautiful and you may see some dolphins and whales following the ships. So I started walking to the starboard side. It's almost to the back of the ship. And if you actually do one look of this deck 3 in Zuiderdam, this actually gives you at least quarter mile for the boat. So if you do 4 loops, you get a mile. So during the morning, most of the passengers love to get some steps here, and they could do also walk. And as you can see, it's a beautiful view by the edge. You just want to hang out there, have some coffee if you like. It's better as well. Right now, I'm almost in the front of the ship, and the cabinets that you see and the brown cabinets that you see there on my left side is lifeboats as well. So this section is in the front of the ship, and on the right side you cannot access the full front, and on this right side is where the anchor is located, but it's prohibited for the passengers. So right now I'm going to the back of the ship, and I'm on the port side section. So this cruise actually is our Panama Canal cruise. We embarked in San Diego, and we disembarked in Fort Lauderdale, and we did the 14 days Panama Canal. So I did this during the morning, around 8 in the morning, and as you can see, the floor here, so just be careful when you walk here and make sure you wear comfortable shoes, and especially if you walk here in the morning, the floor might be wet, so just be careful if you walk here. And in this side of the ship, they also put some chairs here for you to sit down and just relax here See some people actually have their towels laid down there, and they can just sit there and read their books, favorite books, or have their coffee or drinks. So when you see here, you see the mirror there. That's the elevator of the Zuiderdam. This Miss MS Zuiderdam has elevators on the side that when you use their elevator, you will see the good view of the ocean. It is very nice. The one also that you see there in the top is their tender boats. So they use that sometimes if their ports are tender. And those round one are the inflatable lifeboats. The round one on the right side. So those are all for just for emergency. And also, if you're actually walking here, don't run, just walk in this section. And there are parts of this deck that is very, very narrow. So just be sure to give way to the people who are walking faster, or if you want to walk faster than them, just say excuse me. So right here, I'm still on the port side of the ship, and I am approaching the aft section, the back of the ship. So this window on my left is the main dining room of the MS Zuiderdam. So you'll see here the good view of the back of the ship, the aft. You'll see the tail, the propeller. So that's going to be it. So this is my first loop. It's on the end of my video. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. And if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to comment below. If you have any questions about Miss Zuiderdam, it's a beautiful Zuiderdam ship. Just let us know. And thank you for watching.